Hi, my name is Derek Shields, and I'm going to show you how to tune a loop using the Dex Automation software. Go to New, Flow. I'm going to set these values to easily tunable values because I only have 5 minutes, and this is actually going to be a very fast tuning. I'm not going to include any noise or anything like that, and this is going to be a PI control loop. Now, that means proportional and integral. So I'm going to set times to 10 times, quicker than normal, because you can do that in a simulator, so it allows you to tune it with amazing speed. I'm going to set it to automatic mode, and then try a set point adjustment. Notice how PV, the green, jumps up and down, and then output, the white, does the same. This means I have too much gain, so I'm going to drop it down to like 0.25. See, now when I give a new set point command, my PV, the green, drops down, but it doesn't overshoot really. It does slightly, so I could go to 0.2. And let's go back up to 50, see if it overshoots. See, it obtains a new value and holds that value without any kind of oscillation like we saw earlier. Now, there is this offset between green and yellow that shouldn't be there. The goal is to get green to yellow as quickly as possible without overshoot or oscillation. So, I'm going to need some integral to accomplish this, since this is what we're seeing is called proportional only offset. I'm going to try 5 minutes per repeat. Wow, that's really slow. So now, I'm going to try something more that would make more sense, like 0.5 minutes per repeat. Okay, now we're climbing pretty steadily, but this is a flow, so it really should be able to tolerate a good amount of integral. Not all flow can necessarily tolerate good amounts of integral, but this is an idealized flow, so this is pretty much perfect for PI control. It almost doesn't need derivative because of how ideal it is. And look, I can go to 10% set point, and it will obtain it nearly instantly. I'm going to actually try even more integral, really. The number is smaller, but that means more integral because it's minutes per repeat. It overshot, so that means I have too much integral. Go back to 0.2. Still overshooting. Let's try 0.325. Up to 80. Now, notice how green rises to meet yellow really quickly without overshooting or oscillations. This is a tuned loop.